Welcome back. In this video lesson, I will discuss how you can practice the dataset by using the real time, and will provide you the couple of the resources you can download from the video resources, and you can install in your SQL Server or any other database you using, and you can do the practice by on. So SQL is very important. If you not if practical is very important. If you're learning the SQL any topic. So before starting this video, let's discuss what will be covered in this session. So we'll provide you the why use this data set. So this data set basically hands-on SQL practice with the real-time style data. Ideally, it designed for this data set are beginner, student, and job seeker. Like if you are basically want to switch the job, so this data set practical is very helpful to crack the real-time interview question and improve or problem solving and query building a skill, like how you can improve if you have already knowledge related to some specific subject area, like object store procedure function or any window function, how you can utilize in the real time, and you can build a strong portfolio to impress the recruiter. So basically what we have the inside in this data set, we have the table related to the customer, order, product, employee. I also have covered the healthcare and data set as well. So basically in the real time when we attend the interview will take this example as a data set. So you have the easy to understand, and you can basically design this data set for the easy to advanced level. So how you can use import the data set into the SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL. I also provide some practice question as well, and build or on real world query as well. Okay, so basically you can start practicing today. Download the dataset file from the video resources. You can start solving challenging, become confident in the SQL skill. Okay, so let's jump to the data set. So I have this three data set. It basically created. So just you can open this data set into the SSMS or any RDBMS you using. We have the three file. One is the schema, second one is the data, third one is the practice question. Okay, so uh, in the schema, what you can do, you can just open this file, and this covered the customer, product, sale. And so basically I take an example of the retail, healthcare, and HR. So mainly if you attend the interview also, you will find the question related to these three area only. So as a dummy data I have created, so no need to you create, just you can go and just select the any type of the database, like I'm selecting the practice SQL, and then you can hit this execute button. So it will be run within very less time, and data will be table will be a schema will be installed in our database. Second, in the same database, you need to be also open the data.sql, and just you can hit the execute button. So this table will be got inserted. So you can see we have the lots of table will be there, and data will be available. And third, I have provided this some practice question. Okay, so basically this data set are covered from the beginner to the advanced level. So if you want to try see this data is already available or not, so I need to be first select the database which all the data is installed, and just you can run the execute button. So we have the very large amount of data, like I taken more than 100 to 100 entry just for the understanding purpose. If you have the join, like if you can see, we have the couple of the question is also included here from practice point of view. So I included more than 50 around the question, and provided the hint, like if you have such this type of the requirement, how you can solve it. So like if you have so unpaid claim amount total per patient, like if any attend you interview or if you find that the question related to how to find the like display the output, so unpaid claim amount total per patient, so you need to be build some and unpaid, okay, like bill amount minus paid amount. So that is basically I provided the hint. If you try to run this part of the code, it might be display all the output like it unpaid, but if data is not matched, then it not give the output. You can always basically use for this type of the practice. Okay, so this three data set is basically more useful if you really practicing into the SQL area. Other than also we have a couple of the data set which is available for the practice point of view. So one is very major. If you can see this database like adventure work database. So adventure work database is basically provided by the Microsoft for the practice point of view. So we have the adventure work OLTP database and adventure work OLAP database. OLTP are basically used for the transactional database, and OLAP are basically used for the data analytics point of view. OLAP is also called the data warehouse. So how you can install in your SQL Server? So basically you can just visit the Microsoft website. Okay. So how you can go? Suggest you can go to the Google and simply you can type download adventure work sample database. So once you click the adventure work download adventure work sample database, so this is the official website. You can see Microsoft website. So just you can click here. So Microsoft released a different version of the SQL Server. Okay, so each and every version they have provided the file here. So you can see we have the OLTP and data warehouse and lightweight. Lightweight is nothing but very less amount of the data will be there, like they will not take high volume of the data. So if you using the SQL Server based on the version, so if you using the SQL Server 25, you can use the 22 backup. You can just need to be download this backup. So if you have the 19, you can just recommend to do the 19. So adventure work 19, adventure work DW 2019. So both I have you can see install. So I have already downloaded. You can also download, but again I can show you how you can now install this database. Okay, so just you can right click on this database. Okay, once you right click on database, it will be display like restore database. Okay, so once you click on the restore database, so once you click on the restore database, it will be give you the pop-up from the device, different window this will be open, and you can click on this three dot window and you can just add the file. So the file, make sure where you download it, and please keep into any of the drive where so just you need to be select here this where you do want to file is got placed. Okay, so I'm just selecting the file which I already have downloaded. So adventure work DW 2019 backup. Okay, so once I got selected, again you can click on the OK. Since I already have this name, okay, so I need to be change this database name. Okay, so I can take the backup, okay, like BK something like that, so this will not overlay on the existing database. And once you click the OK, uh, once you click on the OK, this database will be available into this basically once they completed. So underscore BK, so you can see adventure work BK restored successfully. So now you can see this database is available. Same like you can also restore by OLTP as well, like restore database, and I need to be select the device here, and we can go three dot, and you can just add here, and again I need to be go the path where the database is got placed, and this will be my OLTP database, and again okay, and I need to be change here the because already have this one already restored, and once I click this one, uh, I can see this database got restored, and this database is also have the all the sales related data, employee related data. So basically OLAP application is basically data warehouse solution, so they follow the dimensional modeling, and you can find the table based on the dimension table and the fact table. So you can say the fact internet sales, you can see the data will be available. I'm selecting to top 200 record, so now the data will be available, so you can do the practice based on whatever requirement you have, so you can see all the data is available. Same like if you can, if you want to say for the any dimensional table, like I want to say customer table, so I'm selecting top 1000 record. Okay, so this data will be available into this table. Okay, so uh, so I hope you have the clear understanding, like how you can practically install and download it. You can also find the couple of these more uh, couple of the more resources you can download from this any of the website is there. So you can go to the Kaggle is a very good website where you can find basically all type of the related different type of the data set. So you can just jump to the Google and you can find the Kaggle. Okay, so you can search Kaggle SQL dataset. You have the find all the sample dataset. You can find such like uh, property related dataset, ICC ranking dataset, and that you can import into the SQL Server, and you can do the practices. So this all are very enough for the hands-on practices, and if you regularly follow all these things, you can able to crack an interview question. So thank you so much for the detail in this video. Keep learning, keep growing.